Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to add in the Rosalind Franklin 50p coin to the album. Right, I still need the third dinosaur and the Peter Rabbit and the Olympics. Hopefully they're coming soon. The third dinosaur is on order as we speak. So this one is going to go here, but we're going to have a little closer look at it, see how it looks, and then we will put it into the folder. So I'm just going to peel that away. Let's get that off. The glue! There we go. Put that there. Now a lot of people won't like me for that. Now we're going to just pop it out. There she goes. And we're going to see how flawless this one is. Now I remember one of them, I can't remember which one it was. We actually had a fingerprint on one of our 50p we bought from Westminster. I didn't actually purchase this off of the Westminster website, and I can see straight away we got a scratch just under where it's got, what does that say? Photograph 51. We do have a scratch. Oh well, lucky I don't collect these for profit. So as you can see, you've got the double helix on that side. Kind of looks like a monster when you do it that way. Rawr. Then you have the Rosalind Franklin with DNA on the bottom. Very clever there. I have seen a few people say they think it's lazy compared to the Isaac Newton and the Stephen Hawkins, but I don't know, maybe if it was a full double helix all the way around and then her name somewhere like across the top or around the bottom or something like that, would have been, I don't know. But I do like this. I didn't like it when I first saw it, but now I actually do like it. So if we flip it around, let's have a look at the Queen side, and we do have a scratch just above the Queen's nose. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there is a scratch above the Queen's nose as well. So this isn't a flawless one, unfortunately, but it's probably just where it's been against the other ones and it's been scratched that way. So we're going to add it to the album. Just going to bring the album around this way. So we are going to be putting it in this corner here. So that means we are going to have to start a new page for when Winnie the Pooh and whatever else is going to come out this year. Which, yeah, Winnie the Pooh. I don't know, I don't like the idea of it. I know it's a British story, but the cartoons and stuff is getting a bit old now. It's just, but there we go. It's in, at least. So we've added a new one to the album. Rosalind Franklin with the DNA across the bottom. Very nice looking coin. To be honest, I didn't like it when I first saw it. Seeing it in person, out of the packaging, actually shining in my hand, I do like it. So guys, what do you think of this coin? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you like, I don't know, is it a bit of a Marmite kind of coin for you? Let me know in the comments. So guys, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Take care, keep safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coin hunting and goodbye.